What do you want to say? You want to talk to Daddy? Take your fingers out of your mouth. Oh, that was a good thing to say. I like baby words. Baby words are cool. Okay, I'm going to take that out of your mouth one more time so you can talk. Do you want to talk now? You want to talk? Yeah? Yeah? Keep going, girl. Keep going. Mama's listening. Keep going. I hear you too, Cooper. Keep going. You want to say something? Yeah. You like to eat your hands? It's really kind of late. It's almost, actually, it's right at her bedtime, so I'm surprised she's talking this much. Okay, you want to try to say one more thing? You want to say one more thing? You have to take your fingers out of your mouth, baby. Here. You want to say one more thing to Daddy? Oh, you found my finger instead of your own. Okay. Let's give you back your hand. Good start. She's 3.5 months old and she's making cute noises. She makes those noises a lot. You want to talk? You want to say something to Daddy? Yeah, keep going, girl. Keep going, baby doll. There went the drool. Yes, we love drool. See how her eyes get all red? She's tired. We're both tired. But she's talking. Okay. You gonna go night-night? You gonna go night-night?